Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a 3ds Max startup problem. All right, so first up, I'm just going to go ahead and close 3ds Max right here. Now you could go ahead and go to your search bar and type down %local app data %, just like so. Again, %local app data %, and just click on this file folder. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find Autodesk, double click, find 3ds Max, double click, and then here find your version, just like this one. Now when we go ahead and double click on it, as you can see, it got all of these files, including temp, scripts, backburner, and licensing. So all you got to do is just go ahead and go back to this file folder, right click and click on delete. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and run 3ds Max, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now if that still won't work, make sure that your graphics card is up to date. Let's say you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and find NVIDIA app. Now, if you have AMD, got to find the AMD Adrenalin. For Intel, you have the Intel app as well. So open it up and go to the drivers tab and make sure that everything is up to date. Okay. Once that's installed or updated, again, restart your computer, launch your 3ds Max, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, try to at least disable your plugins. Okay. So again, go ahead over to your File Explorer, local disk C. We have program files, find the Autodesk, 3ds Max, of course the version, and then got to find plugins right here. You can double click on it, move your plugins to a different file, maybe on your desktop, and then reopen 3ds Max and check if it helps. Now if it helps, you can go ahead and move your extensions one by one. All right. If you have added a plugin that makes a 3ds Max act up, okay, you can go ahead and delete that plugin and just reinstall it. That is it. That is how you fix a 3ds Max startup problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.